another wonderful day in lockdown. But there's light at the end of the tunnel. In November we're getting out, so I haven't been doing that much. Just been getting the cars sort of ready, wheel alignments and stuff getting done, so that when we can get out, everything's ready to go. All the cars can just drive. Did collect myself another BP 1.8. This is a BP4W, this is the MX5 head that has the biggest valves in it, which is the same motor that actually come in my model MX5. So the MB8A has the biggest valves, so that engine, well, that head will flow the most air out of all the MX5 heads. So it is a rattler. It's a rattler. I bought it second hand. Needs rebuild. So it's a surprise, kinder surprise. Open that up and we'll see how wrecked it is. But hoping to build it up as a spare motor for the MX5 to make more power. So do a bit better job on that one. Maybe put some 4Gs in there and some rods and a pair of cams. And we'll push for 300 or close to it. But I'm going to need a bigger gearbox if I do that, so I have to work that out as well. But yeah, what else am I doing? What else am I doing? There's a lot going on. See ladies at Marcus's, he's aligned it. Let's get that. Changed a whole bunch of stuff on that. So the rx7. Ooh. rx7. These came yesterday. Adjustable rear upper camber arms at rx7. Part shot max. Kind of weird the way they made these. It's like two pieces. They bolted together and then they weld it, I think. Strange, huh? Look at that. I found that weird. Anywho, hopefully they don't just snap like Matt Field stuff. Anyways, yeah. So got it jacked up in the air. Gonna chuck those in, and then take it to Marcus for a rear wheel alignment. A whole wheel alignment actually, and corner weight balancing. So we'll see how she the weight spread, considering she's got the RB in it. I'm very curious to see what it is, but we do have the full hatch and the glass. It's factory rear fuel tank, battery in the back, accu sump in the back, so definitely going to be heavier in the front, but I don't reckon it'll be that bad. So let's chuck these arms on and we'll load her up and take them out. See you. Alrighty, that come out pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And so our arm seems to be pretty much set at factory length out of the box. Kind of a little bit annoying to adjust because you have to actually undo these things, and you have to actually screw the thing. It's threaded to the alloy. I thought the nuts were just holding that space to the side, but that means you got to pull the arm out, unwind this thing, and put it back in every time you want to change the length. It's not very speedy, is it? But I guess once you've done it, you're not going to change it forever. But so it's going to take a little bit of setup, but once it's done, it'll be done. Annoyingly, I guess I will just set it roughly where it's meant to go and then leave the rest up to the alignment guy. Anyway, so there we go. I'll set this roughly and chuck it in. Alrighty, So I've got the old arms out. They're pretty cool. They've actually got like rose joints in them from factory. FD arms, alloy arms. Put the new arms in here, where it's pretty easy to change actually. Didn't have to jack the suspension or anything, just lifted it up and thread on. The alloy knuckles and stuff makes it all pretty light. So, pretty easy to change over, but adjusting them is going to be a bit of a pain because you're going to have to take these, you're going to have to take the turnbuckles out of there and rotate them. So you kind of have to take the arm out at the back and then maybe you can drop it down and rotate them or something, or I don't know. But otherwise you'll have to take the whole arm out just to adjust them. Seems like a pretty stupid design, but these are the only upper adjustable arm that I could find for the FD rx7. There might be some obscure Japanese one somewhere, but couldn't find. So got these in there. Preset them with 5mm extra length over standard. So we'll see how that goes. It should be a fair bit because that's 5mm down at the top of the knuckle, not at the top of the wheel. So hopefully this gives us, plus the rear camber bolts are set all the way in, so should be able to get the right amount of adjustment. Get the rear wheel wearing, the rear tyre wearing perfectly flat. Get good tyre life when we're drifting, and also maximum grip. So yeah, once I've done, chuck the wheel on, drop it down, see how it sits. Stay true. Alrighty, let's drop this bad boy down. Put you down here, you can watch things. Whoosh. Ooh, it's gonna be tight. Tight like a tiger. Woo. It's tight. Can't get wool in there. Damn, son. Looks like pretty vertical as well. Whoosh. Camera in there. Is there anything in there? The paper? Ooh. Yep, okay. Super thin stuff fits. $1 bill, yo. Roll it backwards and forwards. Should camber in. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. Woohoo! Not bad though. She looks like that. You want to tuck half tire though. Might have to go a stiffer spring in the back. What's this side doing? Yeah, this side's got way more room. Little finger. Still got a little finger in here. Not good. But the camber. Let's grab it. He hold level. Grab a level. See how close we got the camber. Oh. Not bad. Oops. Pretty close. Maybe a touch out on this one. Let's see what this side does. This one's got too much canvas. So that'll help because this side's touching. Well, it's not actually touching, I don't think. Let's do our fold out paper. 4 pieces of paper thick. That goes straight through there. 4 bits of paper. Perfect, actually. So obviously as it goes up, camber's in more, so shouldn't ever rub, even if it's like that. It's slightly positive camber, so when it squats under power, it should make full contact patch. But Marcus will adjust it accordingly. Man. I want to go down. Swoosh. I need to change those springs. I think we'll leave it for now. See how it drives after I get in alignment. But yeah, anyways. That's about it for this one. We are patiently waiting to get out and drive, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out the range of I Love Drift merch on the website. Got a fresh batch of Turbo Oodies. If you want Oodie, the giant fluffy hoodie with turbos all over it. We got those on the website. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.